Hello guys, in today's video we'll learn about module in Rust. So far in this series, whatever we have been developing, we have coded in the single main.rs file. But as you guys know, real world projects or bigger applications don't work like this. You don't add all of your eggs in a single basket. You don't add all code in one file. So you have to break it into smaller files, more readable, more maintainable. So we'll also learn today that how can we break our code into smaller files. So let's get started, because going forward in the series we'll be creating lots of projects and tools using Rust. So I think it's a good time that we should know how to create small files. So we go to our src and let's say we want to create a new file. I'll name it as dump. So if you don't see these options into your IntelliJ, don't worry, you can just click enter. So now let's go ahead and we create a method here. We name it print description, and then we just print hello, I am printing from mod or new file. Okay, so we just print it, and now let's get back to our main. So wherever you want to use your module, you have to first do this mod dump, and then you also have to do is use dump. And now if I do this, I don't see any method. Okay, even if I use let's say here IntelliSense, I don't see. That's because guys, whatever you define in a module, by default it's private, it's only accessible inside that module. But if you want to access outside, then you have to add this access modifier, which is pub. Okay, so I added pub access modifier, and now if I go back, I can see it here, and I can also see, let's say if I do this, I can also see it here. So I press enter, and then let's use just print description. And now if we do cargo run, you can see we see the output, hello, I am printing from mod new file. So you can define anything you want in this mod file, like your trait and even struct, anything you want. Just make sure if you want to access outside, you have to add pub access modifier. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you're liking this series. Subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video.